Good morning. Yeah. So सानिध्य नेगी क्या करना चाह रहे हो? करना क्या चाह रहे हो? सानिध्य नेगी हैं? कि भाई की वीडियो दिखा रहे हो अपने, क्या कर रहे हो? Yeah. So, yesterday we started reasoning topic clocks in your class. Can you tell me the question which question yesterday? Tell me the question that we did yesterday. Last question. Tell me the last question that we did yesterday. Obviously.
Sir, convert 15 minutes into 25 seconds in seconds.
Okay. Next question. Write down the next question. Convert. This is question. सानिध्य जी को मैंने मीटिंग से रिमूव कर दिया है. Yeah. Now, this is question number. Can you tell me the question number? I have removed Sanidhya Negi from the meeting.
Sir, 6. Sir, 6.
He was disturbing the class intentionally. He was doing all this.
Sir, 6.
Question number 6. This will be question number 7 or 6.
Sir, 6th. It is 6.
It will be 6. Okay. So convert convert 3 hours 43 minutes 17 seconds in seconds. Convert this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am not able to see the question because of the network connection. What can I do?
Beta, you either you look for a place where the network is good, or you see the recorded video. Two options are there.
Okay, sir. Hello.
हाँ बेटा, गुप्ता जी क्या हो गया बताइए। हेलो बहुत करते हैं आप। Yes, Parth Gupta, what happened? Why are you saying hello? Are you not doing the question? Parth Gupta, keep your video on. Turn on your video.
सर बेटा मैंने टाइम हुई रुको बिला
Turn on your video.
कि मैं इसमें नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अभी लिखता
Parth Gupta, turn on your video. Parth Gupta, turn on your video. Have you all done the question, all of you?
Sir, can I tell answer?
Yes, tell the answer.
1 cc97 seconds.
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I tell?
Pick up my phone.
133.
Hello.
Sir, wait a minute. I'm only. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm attending. Yes, sir. The answer is 31196. Sir, I multiplied by and plus also.
Okay, so how to do this, all of you? First, you will convert 3 hours in seconds,
Couldn't listen.
and 43 minutes in seconds, and then 17 seconds is already in seconds. How to convert 3 hours in seconds? First, you convert 3 hours in minutes by multiplying by 60. Okay, and then you again multiply by 60, it will be converted in seconds. 3 hours, 60 seconds. 3 hours को आपने एक बार 60 से multiply कर दिया, it is converted in minutes, and then again you multiply it by 60, it is converted in seconds. Now 43, it is in minutes, so you multiply by 60 only one time. Plus 17, 17 is already in seconds. So what is 3 multiplied by 60 into 60? What is the product? I think it is 10800 plus 43 into 60. 2580 plus 17. So what is the sum? 7 plus 9 plus 3, 5 plus 8, 13, 13, 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. Is it 13,397 seconds? Take your answers.
Sir,
How
my
many?
answer is correct.
13,397 seconds. How many of you have got the correct answer?
Sir, Vishesh. Sir, correct answer.
Very good, beta, Vishesh.
Sir, I also. Sir, mine is wrong. Mine is 13997.
You have done some mistake.
Oh, yes, sir. I have done mistake in multiplying.
Okay, next question. Ready for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down the question. It is a word problem. Question number 7.
Sir, what was your answer? Sir?
Yes, answer was 13,397 seconds.
Sir, it is coming 13,380.
No, 13,397. You have not added 17. 17 add नहीं करा आपने. Add 17 seconds
Sorry,
also. So question 7. All of you note down the question. It is a word problem. Note down the question. A car starts at 11:30 a.m. A car starts at 11:30 a.m. from town A. A car starts at 11:30 a.m. 11:30 a.m. starts at 11:30 a.m. from town A and reaches town B and reaches town B in how much time? After a car starts at 11:30 a.m. from town A.
Okay.
Car starts at 11:30 a.m. from town A and reaches town B after reaches town B after 2 hours 15 minutes. After 2 hours 15 minutes. After 2 hours 15 minutes. That is, it took 2 hours 15 minutes to go from town A to town B. Okay. So you have to tell what time it reached town B. A car starts from town A 11:30 a.m. and reaches town B in 2 hours 15 minutes. Full stop. After full stop. At what time the car reached town B? At what time the car reached town B? कार जो है वो टाउन बी पे कितने बजे पहुंची? Okay, at what time the car reached town B?
The car reached town B at 1:45.
Okay, I have written your answer.
13 hours 45 minutes.
13 hours 45 minutes.
My answer is correct.
Sir, please tell the answer.
Yeah, wait. Have you all done?
Yes, sir.
The car reached at 1:45 p.m.
Yes, correct answer. So the car started at 11:30. That means if you convert it in hours, 11 hours 30 minutes. So in 11 hours 30 minutes, you add 2 hours 15 minutes. So what you will get? You will get
13 hours
13
45
hours
minutes.
45 minutes. Now this is 13 hours 45 minutes. You convert this in time. How will you convert this in time? 13 hours 45 minutes in time is 1:45 p.m. So this is 1:45 p.m. Do you all know how to do this? This you have learned in your previous class also. आता है सबको? So after 12, in your clock, after 12, what comes after 12? Again 1 o'clock. After 12 o'clock,
1.
the time again comes to 1 o'clock. Okay.
1 o'clock.
So that after 12 it is 13. So how will you convert 13 in
So
time,
1:45
proper timing? It will be 1 hour. Sorry,
1:40
1:45 p.m. So the car will reach town B at 1:45 p.m. Got it, all of you? Clear? Everyone?
So please wait.
So when it goes above 12, you can subtract 12 from 13 and instead of AM, you can make it PM. Okay. How to convert this? 13 hours में से you subtract 12, you will get 1. So that is why I have written 1 here. And then the time earlier was AM, now it becomes PM. Because it goes above 12. So when it goes above 12, it becomes PM. And how will you convert in proper time? You will subtract from 13, you will subtract 12. If suppose the time is, how will you write the time in this case? Tell me all of you, 15 hours. 15 hours, 34 minutes. How will you convert this in PM? How will you convert this time in PM?
Sir, 3 hour 45, 34
3
minutes.
hours 34 minutes.
Sir, 3 hour 34 minutes.
Subtract 12 from this, get
3 o'clock 34
3:34
minutes PM.
3:34 PM. So this is 3:34 PM. Subtract 12 from this. 3:34 PM.
Sir, we will do 3 hours, 3:34 p.m. is the answer. We will subtract 15 by 12. Then we will got the answer 3 and 34. We will copy down.
Yes, yes.
So we got the
3:34
answer
PM.
3:34 p.m.
Correct. Okay, next one. Ready for the next one, all of you?
Sir, done.
Again, same type of question. A car starts from town A at a car
Sir,
starts
this
from
time
town.
you copy down the question.
A car starts from town A at 10:45 AM. Just change the timing. Copy down the question and just change the timing. A car starts from town A at 10:45 AM and reaches town B in 4 hours 40 minutes. 4 hours 40 minutes. And reaches town B in 4 hours 40 minutes. At what time the car reached town B?
Sir, we tell question number 8 again.
A car starts from town A at 10:45 AM. A car starts from town A at 10:45 AM and reaches town B in 4 hours 40 minutes.
Sir, I can tell you the answer. Sir, I can tell you the answer.
Sir, 14 hour 85 minutes. So the correct answer is 14 hour 85 minutes.
Better give me the answer in PM. Tell the
Sir,
timing.
sir, I can give you.
Yes, tell the timing.
Sir,
Sir, the answer is 3:25 PM.
no sir. Sir, 2 hours.
Sir, I can tell you the formula.
Wait,
Sir,
beta, wait.
125 because what? Sir, 125. No. Sir,
No,
I can
sir,
tell you the
2.
formula.
Sir, 2
Gaurav Peladani, what is your answer? What is your answer?
Sir, my answer is 325. Sir, I can tell you full formula.
Arey beta, wait. Your answer is correct. Just wait. Your answer is correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now let others also try. Yes. All of you. Now see this. Take this as 10 hours, 45 minutes, 10 hours, 45 minutes, and 4 hours, 40 minutes. Okay. Now 45 plus 40, if you add them, (45 plus 40 is 85 minutes. Okay, this becomes 85 minutes. This becomes 85 minutes. And 10 plus 4 is 14 hours. So 14 hours, 85 minutes. Now 85 is greater than 60. This is greater than 60. So how do you convert this in hours and minutes? 85 minutes.
Sir, we have to write 60.
Yes, sir.
It becomes 40.
Some minus 60.
Yes, minus 60. 14 hours plus 1 hour plus 25 minutes. This is how you break it. 85 को आप क्या कर देंगे? You subtract 60 from it, and instead of those 60 minutes, you make it 1 hour. Okay, 65 इसमें से minus कर दे, you get 25. So वो जो 60 minutes थे वो क्या हो गए? It becomes 1 hour. 14 plus 1 hour, it becomes 15 hours. 15 hours, 25 minutes. Are you getting my point? All of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is 15 hours, 25 minutes. Now 15 hours, 25 minutes. When you write this in time, PM, you subtract 12 from this. So the time is 3:25 PM. You have to subtract 12 from 15 and the time will become 3:25 PM. Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt? All of you?
No, sir.
No? Okay, next question.
No, sir.
Next question. Ready for the next one?
Sir, I can drink water.
Yes. Yeah, next question. Yeah, a car starts from town A. A car starts from town A and reaches town B in 3 hours 30 minutes and reaches town B in 3 hours 30 minutes.
Sir,
I started from town.
the
थोड़ा सा change है question. The question is a little different. A car starts from town A.
सर लेकिन टाउन ऐसे सर लेकिन टाउन ऐसे सर टाइमिंग तो लिखिए
Not given. The time is not given. A car starts from town A.
ओके सर
Timing is not given. A car starts from town A and reaches town B in 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Full stop. And reaches town B in 3 hours 30 minutes. Full stop.
सर यू हैव नोट रिटन द टाइम
That is what I am saying. The timing of town A is not given. At what time it is started from town A, it is not given. A car started from town A
Sir,
and
written.
town B in 3 hours 30 minutes. Full stop.
Sir, written.
If the car reached town B,
Sir, the
if the
I
car
can tell you the
reached town B at 5:15 p.m. If the car reached town B at 5:15 p.m. If the car reached town B at 5:15 p.m., comma,
what is the answer? 10 minus 3.
at what time it started from town A? That means this thing you have to find. At what time it started from town A?
Sir, why you have written 5:15?
क्यों? क्या परेशानी हो गई? नहीं लिख सकते?
अरे सर बताइए तो.
बताइए तो मतलब क्वेश्चन है a car starts from town A and reaches town B in 3 hours 30 minutes. If the car reached town B at 5:15 p.m. शाम को 5:15 पे पहुंच गई कार town B. Then at what time it started from town A? Town A से कितने बजे चली थी ये आपको बताना है. At what time the car started from town A? Start.
Sir, we will subtract.
Yes. Very good.
Sir, written the question.
So they can't understand this formula.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Sir, I also.
Tell.
225. Sir, 225 is the answer.
No, wrong answer.
No, sir, it is wrong answer.
Yes, tell me the correct answer.
Sir, I am finding the proof.
Proof?
Oh, I can do subtract, multiply, over, divide, क्या logic है?
Sir, I can tell answer.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Sir, 8 hours 15 minutes.
8 hours 15 minutes. Wrong answer.
Let's say, 5. One other. और फिर नहीं ये भी गलत हो गया. क्या होगा? Sir, please
Sir,
tell
2
you.
hours, sir, 2 hours 25 minutes.
No, sir.
Wrong.
Sir, it is wrong.
Sir, where I am subtracting, I got the answer 185. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when I have subtracted, I got the answer 185.
185 कैसे टाइम हो सकता है?
No, sir. When I have subtracted.
Wrong.
Sir, 2 hours over. Sir, 2 hours 85.
Wrong answer. So let me give you the answer of this one.
Yes, sir, please give.
Let's see how to do this. So first you convert this in 5 hours 15 minutes. 5 hours 15 minutes. This is 5 hours 15 minutes. And from 5 hours 15 minutes you have to subtract 3 hours 30 minutes. You have to subtract this. This you all have understood that we have to subtract in this case. इसमें से minus करना है. So for this
Sir,
is
I
not
have done.
easy. This is not easy if you are doing like this. So easy method is you convert this in minutes. 5 hours 15 minutes to you convert in minutes. 5 into 60 is 300. 300 plus 15 is 315 minutes. Minus 3 hours into 60. 3 into 60 is 180. 180 plus 30 is 210. 210 minutes. So first you convert in minutes and now you subtract 315 minutes minus 210 minutes. Get what do you get? You get 105 minutes. 105 minutes. Okay. Now you again convert 105 minutes in hours and minutes. So how do you convert 105 minutes in hours and minutes? You divide by 60. 105 one time 60. The difference is 45. So this means 1 hour 45 minutes. The quotient is 1. So 1 hour 45 minutes. That means what is the time? 1:45 p.m. At 1:45 p.m. the car started from town A. Clear?
Sir, but how can we check?
Sir, my
Okay.
answer is this also. Sir, my
Sir,
answer is also this.
Very good. You can check your answer by adding again. Add 3 hours 30 minutes in this.
Sir, I have done with my own.
If you add 3 hours 30 minutes in this again, you will get 5 hours 5:15 p.m. The time will again become 5:15. So this is how you can check your answer. You got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Con-
Yes, sir.